Hello, babes, we're back. Hello. For those who don't know me, I am Taylor. I am the owner of Taylor's Originals Jewelry and Accessories. I recently just reopened my website this past Saturday, and it's on and popping, y'all. It's on and popping. So if you have not viewed my website yet, go ahead and click the link down in the description box, or just go to taylorsoriginals.com so you can see what I do, what you may want, and what you need. So, but without rambling on too long, this video is a part 2 from the first video that I made a couple months back, showing you how to print out your shipping labels using a regular printer and not a thermal printer. So I currently have a Canon TR4522, and this is just an extended video actually showing you how I print out my labels, because a whole lot of you guys been in my comments requesting it, and a whole lot of you guys are probably mad at me because I've taken so long to make this video. But make sure that you follow Taylor's Originals on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, you know, all that good stuff. I have my socials on the side, stuff like that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, as you guys can see, this order was placed over the weekend, and she ordered all these croc charms because we got some new ones in, y'all. We got some new ones in. So we're gonna be packing those. Let me go ahead and get that together. So basically what I just showed you, it's like what she ordered. So I'm gonna go on my laptop. If you guys are wondering, I have the new MacBook Air, and I'm just going to print out a shipping label. By the way, my website host is Shopify. I have the basic plan for everybody that's wondering. But yes, I just have the basic plan. Let me see. I am about to print out the packing slip, and I just printed it out. So when we go upstairs, it's gonna be right there for me. But as what we can see is she ordered the CEO crop charm. Go back and get that. Okay, y'all. I have all these crop charms. And I have yet to really organize them. I put them in little baggies, but I really need another plastic organizer and everything. But let's see. Here we go. Found it. So she ordered one of the CEO croc charms. That's what it looks like. I'll probably also have a picture in the corner. I'm set this off to the side so I don't get that, you know, confused and mixed up. She ordered the money bag croc charm. It looks like this right here. I really like this one. That over to the side. She ordered Self-Love Club. This right here. And if you see me look this way, I'm looking at the her order, so I know what all to grab. That's what it looks like. I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. She also ordered Book and Busy, because yes, all 2021 going into 2022, we're gonna be booked and busy. Period. Easy. That. She got Queen, y'all. Her Crocs gonna be pimped out, most definitely. I can put the some she didn't order. Oh, here we go. This Queen Crown one. And she ordered Living My Best Life, because we are. Where is it? Y'all, I really gotta organize this stuff. Don't mind me. Do not mind me. Oh, here we go. There's around for my face. And last but not least, she ordered our Blue Jays crop charm. Alright, so since I have all of the crock charms selected. I'll put the rest of them back in the box. Got off the side. And then I'm just gonna go back and make sure that I have everything, because I don't want, you know, any emails saying, you know, hey, you forgot something, or, you know, mix up the wrong stuff. Alright, I got everything. So now we're gonna get a little baggie for her order. I like to use these little holographic Ziploc bags. And I just open them up, put her order in. And then, y'all, I made some stickers with my printer. That has to be saved for another video. But some stickers. This is just using some, what paper is this? This is the Avery. This is the Avery labels. This is what I was talking about in my previous video, part 1. Like I said, if you have not seen that, go ahead and check it out. There'll be like a link somewhere in the description up top. Go ahead and check that out, because you need to watch that video. But this is what it looks like, you know. Oh, also, we gotta add a business card in there. You know, gotta make sure that she knows where it's coming from. You know, I'm gonna add one. These are my new business cards. Got the socials on the back. And then we're gonna get a bubble mailer. And maybe we should have just put this in a regular mailer like this. So I normally use these like for smaller orders, just to like, you know, get rid of these. I know I may just put these in a I don't know. You know what? I'm put it in this one because I normally save these for like my bigger orders. I have 3 different sizes. I have small, medium, and then I have large poly mailers for like, especially in the fall and winter where I sell like headwear, like ski masks, headbands, bonnet scarves, stuff like that. I don't have my logo on my shipping supplies. I still just use my stickers. I just place it on it like that. So my brand is pretty much on everything that she gets, and she knows who it's coming from. She knows. But we're going to take my shipping scale. I need to get a bigger one, but we're going to need to make it do what it do. I got this off of Amazon for probably about $20. It works. It's battery operated, it's digital. So I'm just gonna set it down so it can reset, because there we go. And I'm going to put my her order in the poly mailer, and then I'm gonna set it on the scale. And it comes to about 0.80 ounces. And now I'm gonna flip the camera so I can show you guys how I put this in on the computer. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit create shipping label. Ooh, don't want to show her info. So when we do that, we're gonna go down to total weight. Sorry, I'm trying to record and type all this stuff in at the same time. So she paid $3.99, which is standard, which is like our flat rate shipping. So that is with USPS. So it's gonna take about 3 business days to get to her. And then where else we can go up to? Y'all, I can't record this at the same time. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it's gonna ship out on Monday. So I changed that over here. So today is Sunday, but I'm not shipping her order out till Monday. So we click that, and then we're gonna hit buy shipping label. Now with everybody who uses Shopify, you get billed, depending on your plan, you either get billed once a month, or you get billed once a month, or you can get billed like annually. It just depends on how you set it up, but all your shipping fees and stuff is calculated. So we just bought our shipping label, and then we're gonna go over here and hit print. All right, so I hope that was a good little demonstration, because I was sure trying to hold the camera and record at the same time. But I'm gonna go upstairs and grab the shipping label and stuff like that, and see you guys back down here. Now what I like to do is, I like to, since this is an adhesive, I like to tape the shipping label on top of where I just sealed her package. So just to ensure that, you know, it's not being open in the process of it getting to her. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that off camera, because that can be like a little bit tedious, and also I don't want to show her personal information. Okay, so now this is what it looks like. Everything's all taped up and whatnot. I put a fragile label right there. Even though it's nothing breakable, I still like to make sure that like the postal workers are, you know, handling my customer's package with care. So that's what the finished product is. See choker on my neck. This is made by yours truly. Yes. And then I also have another one in blue on my website. So if you would like to cop this choker, go ahead and go to my website. It's adjustable. It has a clasp in the back, so you can adjust it to your liking, so it can fit your own personal you know, need, your structure. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this really helped, and I hope this really broke down the process for you, especially for all my new business owners that were wondering how I printed out my shipping labels and how I went about packing my orders and everything in between. If you guys have any suggestions on videos, any new content they want to see from me and my business, any feedback, if this helped you, if you still need like a more in-depth tutorial, please let me know. And also search out there to see, you know, if you can, you know, figure it out, go to somebody else's video if I didn't do a great job, and maybe they can help break it down just a little bit more for you. But thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to follow my socials: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.